In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a budget versus actuals report in QuickBooks Online. This report is an essential tool for tracking your business's financial performance. It lets you compare your actual income and expenses to your budgeted amounts, helping you identify areas where you're on track and those that might need adjustment. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or a larger organization, understanding how to generate and customize this report can make a big difference. So, let's dive in and get started. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To begin, make sure you're on the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where you'll land right after logging into your account. From here, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. You'll see several options listed, and the one you want to click on is Reports. This will take you directly to the Reports page. Once you're on the Reports page, look toward the top of the screen. You'll notice a few tabs, and you want to select the one labeled Standard. This tab contains a variety of pre-built report templates you can use. Now, to find the specific report we need, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. In the search field, type Budget versus Actuals. As you type QuickBooks, we'll begin displaying matching results. When you see Budget versus Actuals appear in the search results, click on it. The system will now open the report for you, but it might take a moment to fully load, so be patient while it processes the data. Once the report loads, it's time to customize it to match your budget's time frame. At the top of the report, you'll find a toolbar that allows you to adjust the reporting period. You can select options like this fiscal year, last fiscal year, or any other time frame that fits your needs. If you prefer to narrow it down further, you can also specify a particular month or quarter by selecting a custom date range. Next, take a look at the columns displayed in the report. These columns show key financial details such as actual amounts, budgeted amounts, differences, and variances as percentages. Depending on your goals, you can choose which columns to include. For example, if you're presenting this report to a team, you might want to simplify the view by focusing only on the most relevant comparisons, such as actual versus budgeted amounts. Now that the report is tailored to your needs, take a few moments to review it carefully. Look over the totals and key accounts to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. If you notice any discrepancies or if the report appears incomplete, double-check your selected period or the budget setup in QuickBooks. Adjusting these settings can often resolve the issue. And that's it. You've successfully generated and customized a budget versus actuals report in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.